In this video, I will show how to remove formulas but keep values in Excel cells. So firstly, make here formula like average, select this to cell, then press enter. So now we have this formula, average formula in this one. Now to remove formula and to keep value, copy it and firstly paste anyway. So make sure you select this value. Also you can paste here as value. Now click anyway. So if you change number, so it will not reflect here like this. So this way you can remove formula in Microsoft Excel. As we can see, we use average formula here. So if you change value here, so it will reflect here. As we can see here. So to remove formula and to keep value, select it, right click on it. Now copy and again select them, these cells, and paste as value. Now click anyway. Now if you make changes here, so it will not reflect there like this. So thanks for watching.